Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming around. My name is Ngozeal, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you because without you there won't be me. So I'm very grateful that you're there. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your immunity at home with pineapple peels, and other ingredients I'm going to add together to it. So you've been throwing out your pineapple peels. After peeling your pineapple, you throw out the peels and use the pineapple. After watching this video, you won't throw out your pineapple peels again, because pineapple peels are of a very health benefit that you may not have known. You can use it to boost your immune system and so many other things that you can do. I have done a video in the past where I used pineapple peels to do zobo drink. If you're going to work your hand in hand on how you're going to get this home remedy done, and I'm also going to share with you how you are going to take it for the maximum results. So come with me, let's start. So the very first thing I'll be needing here will be pineapple. As you can see, here's my pineapple, and I'm going to wash it thoroughly because I'm going to need the skin and not the pineapple itself. So the first thing I'm going to grab my sponge, kitchen sponge, to sponge it very well to make sure that all the impurities are being removed. Just like the fruit, the skin is rich in vitamin C, which can build the overall immunity of the body, fight bacteria, help with cough and other things. The skin can also be a teeth and bone straightener since it is rich in manganese. It is great for oral health because vitamin C can help keep the gums healthy. So I'm going to start peeling off the pineapple. I'm going to scrape everything that has to do with the skin because that is what I actually need in this. So now that I'm done taking out the skin, the next thing I'm going to do is to get my clean pot and add the skin into the pot. It's very important that everything you're doing here is clean, right, starting from the pot and other things that you are using. The next thing I'm going to be needing here will be cinnamon. The aromatic spice is a rich source of antioxidants like polyphenols and proanthocyanins that give a boost to the immune system. Moreover, it has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that help reduce the chances of respiratory diseases and seasonal infections. So because I bought this in the market like this, although it was tied up with waterproof, I'm also going to wash it and wash it very clean. The next thing I'll be needing here will be moringa seeds. It has also the calcium, protein, iron, and amino acids which help your body heal and build muscles. It's also packed with antioxidants, substance that can protect cells from damage and boost your immune system. So if you don't have moringa seeds, you can go for moringa leaf. If you don't have moringa leaf, you can get the powder, use the powder to eat after boiling, or you use the oil. The next thing I'm going to be needing here will be clove. Cloves include multiple compounds that are linked to anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol is the most important of this compound. Eugenol has been shown to reduce the anti-inflammatory responses in the body, reducing the risk of diseases such as arthritis and helping symptoms. Eugenol is also a potent antioxidant. Cloves are full of antioxidants. This compound helps your body to fight free radicals, which damage your cells and can lead to disease. By removing free radicals from your system, the antioxidants found in clove can help reduce your risk of developing heart diseases, diabetes, and certain cancers. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding water into it. I'm going to add water a little bit above the pineapple paste and other ingredients I've added there. So now that I'm done adding my water, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this to my gas stove. So I'll light off my stove and add it to fire, and the next I'm going to let it boil. I'll bring it to a boil, then turn down the heat. Air is on fire. So I'm going to cover my pot. Now it has started boiling. I'm going to turn down the lights and the heat and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes under low heat. So I'm going to cover my pot while I wait here. It is simmering, but it is 10 minutes already. So I'm going to turn off the lights completely and let it settle for some time. I'm not going to let it go completely cold. I'm just going to let it, settle for some time. Then I'll show you how you are going to take it. So here it is. Our immune system booster is ready. Our home remedy to boost immune system is ready. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add this to a cup that I'll be using to take it. Yeah, you're not going to take it cold, okay? You're going to take it warm, and you may also leave your own inside your pot or seal it inside something and put it in the fridge. But I would prefer to leave mine in the pot so I can always heat it whenever I want to take it. So how you are going to take it? You are going to take half glass cup like this 3 times in a week. Clove is not what you consume every time, so you're going to take it 3 times in a week. And you can also give this to children from 2 years up. From 2 years up, you can give this to them. But you are going to get another smaller glass cup. You're going to get another smaller glass cup. Then give the child half of that small glass cup. So this is what I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so that you know when next I upload another video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate the fact that you stick to me to this extent. Here are a list of another organic foods that are very good to the body. Enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.